everyone! Welcome to this quick Cryotos tutorial. In just 5 minutes, I'll show you how to create preventive maintenance schedules that automatically generate work orders for your team. We're covering multiple frequency types, daily, weekly, monthly, etc. Applying schedules to multiple assets, and how work orders are auto-generated. Let's jump in. First, here's how to navigate to schedule maintenance. Go to Maintenance and select Schedule Maintenance. Then navigate to SM List tab. You'll see all your configured schedules. To create new, click the blue Schedule button in the top right. You're now on the Basic Details tab where you configure everything. Let's dive into the form structure for setting up your schedules. First, we have the Basic Info section. Here's where you'll add the important details for each schedule. This includes Schedule Maintenance name. This is what your technicians will see when they're working with the schedule. Workflow name. You can define the checklist your technicians need to follow for each task. Account name. Here you'll specify the organization that this schedule belongs to. Date range. This sets the time period when the schedule will be active. Duration. The estimated number of hours needed to complete the task. Notify assignee. You can also specify when notifications should be sent, which helps keep everyone on track. Assigned user or user group. This is where you assign the schedule to a specific user or a user group. Release to assignee. This field specifies the number of hours before the work order is released to the assigned technician. Next, we move to the Asset or Location section. Here's where you define what assets are linked to the schedule. Asset name. Select the equipment that the schedule will apply to. Here's the game changer. You can apply one schedule to multiple assets at once. To do this, click the filter icon next to the asset name. A dialog box will pop up, allowing you to select multiple assets for the same schedule. You can filter by department, location, or category, or simply search by asset name. For example, let's say I want to select all 4 air compressors. Once I've made my selections, I hit Save. Here's what happens next. Cryotos will automatically generate separate work orders for each asset. The parent-child asset hierarchy is validated to ensure everything is linked correctly, and each asset gets its own PM schedule. The location field will automatically be populated based on the asset you select. Now, let's talk about the service type. You can choose from several options here. Time-based. This means the schedule is based on calendar dates. Usage-based. This is based on meter readings, but we'll cover that in the next video. Or you can set it to both, so the schedule will follow both the calendar and usage. Next, we move to the frequency types. Cryotos offers 11 different frequency types for scheduling maintenance tasks. This flexibility allows you to set up schedules that fit your needs, no matter how often a task needs to be performed. For this time, I'm selecting the type weekly and choosing specific days and times. And then work instructions. Use the rich text editor to add step-by-step instructions for the task. You can also set a priority, normal, urgent, critical, to ensure tasks are completed based on their importance. Once you've filled all the basic details, click Save. A new scheduled maintenance has created. Now, click the Schedule tab, and here's where the magic happens. Cryotos has automatically generated multiple work orders based on your configuration. It's that easy. All your tasks are now scheduled and ready to go, saving you time and ensuring nothing gets missed. And finally, in the calendar page, you can see your preventive maintenance schedules created. And here's the complete workflow. You configure the schedule that takes about 5 minutes. Cryotos automatically generates all the PMs instantly. 1 hour before each PM, a notification is sent to the technician. The technician sees the work order in their dashboard. The technician opens the workflow, follows the steps, and marks it as complete. Finally, the report shows the PM completion.